I was off my game, understanding everyday English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, I was off my game. This phrase is a great example of how English speakers use language to express complex ideas in a few words. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these expressions can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and break down what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. When someone says, I was off my game, they're expressing that they weren't performing as well as they usually do. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from sports to work, and even in social situations. The word, game, in this phrase metaphorically represents someone's usual level of performance or ability. Being off suggests a deviation from their normal standard. So, putting it all together, this phrase communicates a temporary dip in one's usual performance or abilities. To fully grasp the use of this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In sports, during yesterday's match, I was really off my game. I missed shots I usually make. 2. At work, I don't know what happened in the meeting yesterday. I was off my game and forgot to mention key points. 3. In social situations, I was off my game at the party last night. I just couldn't seem to start a conversation with anyone. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be used to describe different situations where someone feels they weren't at their best. Learning expressions like, I was off my game, is crucial for English language learners because it helps you understand native speakers better and express your own experiences more naturally. These phrases add color and depth to your communication, making your English sound more fluent and nuanced. Moreover, they offer a glimpse into the cultural aspects of language use, reflecting how speakers view performance and ability in different areas of life. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, I was off my game. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of how and when to use this expression. Remember, mastering a language is not just about knowing the grammar and vocabulary but also about understanding the phrases and expressions that native speakers use in everyday conversation. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to incorporate phrases like this into your English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll continue to unlock the secrets of the English language together.